A Lagos High Court sitting in Ikeja has adjourned the trial of chairman of Ibeto Energy Development Company, Cletus Ibeto, who was charged by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission over an alleged 4.8 billion naira fraud till May 27, 2024. Justice Oyindamola took the decision in order to await a decision of the Court of Appeal in an appeal filed by the defendant, who is seeking an overturn, to overturn a bench warrant issued against him by the previous judge hearing the case. We have details in this report and we'll return with business news.
Justice Ismail Ijelu had initially issued the bench warrant against Cletus Ibeto after he failed to appear several times to take his plea in the 10 counts charge, bordering on alleged conspiracy, fraud, and forgery brought against him and 2 others by the anti-graft agency. While seeking to overturn the bench warrant before the appellate court, the defense is also challenging the jurisdiction of the Lagos High Court to hear the matter. On Monday, Mr. Ibeto's counsel applied before the new judge of the State High Court, Oyindamola, to withdraw the application for stay of proceedings pending appeal and the one challenging the court's jurisdiction, which was earlier filed by a senior advocate of Nigeria, Onyechi Ikpeazu. He also urged the court to allow him argue his notice of preliminary objection, insisting the defendant's presence is necessary in view of the pending application challenging the court's jurisdiction. But the prosecution counsel, Rotimi Jacob SAN, opposed the application of the defense, saying the defendants had already filed an appeal on the same issue, which is yet to be decided. He added that the defendant hasn't submitted himself for trial, but also informed the court that the businessman had paid a total sum of 2 billion naira to the commission in an out-of-court settlement. Justice Ogala resolves to await the decision of the Court of Appeal on both the bench warrant and the issue of jurisdiction, and adjourns to May the 27th. According to her, hearing further arguments on the matter already before a superior court will amount to a waste of time.
The reason why we are in a hurry is that there is a criminal charge hovering over the defendants, and it will keep, hovering over them until the matter is determined. I believe our premier objection is strong. I don't know why the prosecution does not want to, join issues with us.
On March the 29th, 2023, the Rivers State High Court declared Mr. Ibeto's company as the rightful owner of a vast land in dispute, saying one Chukwudozie Daniel, challenging the ownership of the land, didn't complete the purchase of that land to the defendant. But Mr. Chukwudozie launched an appeal in Port Harcourt and then petitioned the EFCC on the matter, resulting in the present case in Lagos, which the defendant is now seeking to dismiss.